Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 9S and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do is opening settings application or application which support it. Something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. While we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make a normal screenshot. And after that we tap on scroll. And now it is scrolling. When we tap on the screen we stop scrolling and creating our long screenshot. Apply and confirm all by done. And after processing we have our long screenshot. To save it we press this icon. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.